I'm Lucca, I'm from Brazil. I have been here for 4 weeks. I enjoyed the program to learn how to be a conservationist and be more in contact with the nature. My favorite activity is feeding the animals because we can stay in more contact with them, and it looks like a safari, but we can feed them and be more closer. Here I learned how to fix the fences and how to make the dunk buckets. It was very nice. My memory experience was when I was feeding the animals and I fell in the truck, and the girls told me to don't fall in the ground with where are the animals. It was very nice. It was a very challenge for me because I need to walk for 2 or 3 hours, and it was so hot, and to do that I need to think about I can do it, and I do it. And I did it. Natural, of course. A team, because we work together, and the heat. I advise them to become here with the minds open to learn how you can be more in contact with the nature and to become a conservationist. I feel sad. I will miss the project, but I'm very happy and thankful to learn a lot of things here.